Today is July 14th. This is the 1967-1968 AM/FM radio for the 1967-1968 Cadillac DeVille convertible. This will be going to my friend Bruce out in California. This is the original vintage Delco 730-3215 radio. The unit has been rebuilt, and I'm now doing a bench test after getting it back from the restoration facility. The unit is connected to the proper 10 ohm speaker, which is consistent with the 1967-1968 vintage speaker standards, unlike the modern 4 ohm standards, which will burn up a vintage radio. So the unit has been connected to power with the battery here, and is connected to the 14 volt plug terminal, which is right up here, the upper left corner, or the yellow wire, in accordance with the wiring harness. And we have the positive power going there, and of course the unit is grounded right here with the white wire. So it's grounded, positive power going to the yellow wire where it says 14V on the radio. And I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to turn it on. And when I do so, we'll have an AM light over here and an FM light over there, each of which is actuated by the actuation bar. Okay, so I'll turn it on, and you can see that the AM light has come on.
For people who don't know Jim, I mean, you know this, people don't know, he's a very, very quiet guy.
By the way, the unit is connected to an original Cadillac power antenna with the coaxial cable.
Very low key,
and this is the speaker.
Really good dude. And the couple
this is
times we're going to interview
in the AM mode, and now I'll put it in the FM mode. And I have a preset channel here. Okay. So that's the FM. That's some kind of Latino station, I guess, which I don't understand since I'm not Latino, but it sounds very nice. So that's the FM station. I'll put it back on AM News Radio. And press my push button to select for AM News Radio.
He was just a really fantastic player, and off the field, just a really
FM again.
Who could do what
AM again.
Sanders could do. I mean, in a league of really freaky athletes.
AM.
I've never seen a guy like that. And then off the field, he was so...
FM.
Barbara. It was like he went
AM.
to some PT clinic or something.
And
I mean, it was so obscure and so weird. And they said to me, do you want to step?
Okay. So, this is the 1967-68 original vintage Delco radio, where both knobs are on the left-hand side. The knobs are absolutely beautiful, and it's the original vintage Delco 730-3215 restored radio. It is the original vintage radio. Okay, it's not a modern radio. It is the original 50-year-old vintage radio, restored and fully functional. This is from my friend Bruce out in California. Okay, thank you very kindly.